Guys, check this out. We're at the Ducati, World Ducati Week, 100th anniversary at the Misano World Circuit. And they've got the Ducati Corse Factory MX2 team rig here. Check it out. These are the work spikes right here. And then they've got a production factory edition. You can actually order this bike from Kaplan Cycles Ducati in Rockville, Connecticut. Get your name on one. These are limited edition with a gold coated, black DLC coated lowers, black rims, acropovic exhaust, gripper seat, tricked out right out of the box, black front number plate, black shrouds. Or get yourself a Desmo 450 EDS. This is the Enduro version, street legal, sort of street legal. It's got lights in the tail light. I think you can get it plated. Here's another one of the race bikes. Or if you want a production 450, they've got the 450 MX available now, and they have the 250 MX available also. Supermotos. Turn your 450 or 250 into Supermoto very easily. This one's got this really cool dual exhaust system on it, made out of titanium. That's ultra trick. Look at that. Wow. Couple of the race bikes and a jump bike. Definitely Ducati's here to stay. They don't mess around. They're playing to win. So if you want to get involved in a Ducati off-road program, call Junior at Kaplan Cycles. They'll hook you right up. It's an incredible facility here, the Misano World Circuit. Over 100,000 Ducatis are here today. There's some absolutely beautiful motorcycles here. These are all the factory race bikes here. They have trailers that actually go up, so there's 2 levels in it. The MotoGP trailers. Never seen these in the States. They're pretty amazing looking rigs. Instead of the traditional slide room, this one goes up, so it has 2 stories. I was on one that Ducati owns. That's a 3-story unit. I've never seen anything like it with 3 porches on it. Just amazing. So cool going to someplace new and seeing something fresh that I'd never seen before. I'll be back in 28, and I'm inviting all you guys with me. Anybody who is wants to join the Ducati Owners Club at Kaplan Cycles. We got to talk to the marketing team and figure out if we call it Ducati Owners Club of Rockville or Ducati Owners Club of Connecticut or of Hartford. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna find out what the closest one is now and see if we can get some people involved. These are all the works bikes right here. The factory riders are all riding these. These are actually production motorcycles they're not works bikes, they're production bikes that are set up with different liveries on them that are going to be raced here this weekend. They're all pretty much identical motorcycles. God bless America.